right? All of these are RF module. You can see all of these are Hello friends, I hope all are doing great. So today we are going to study which RF module is better for your project and which RF module can provide you longer range. There are lots of RF module available in the market, but the RF module which you need to use must be of one of them if you are going for low budget. Although there are lots of long range RF module is also available, but like under 150 rupee. So these are the modules which we can buy in the market. So now if I talk about this one, this RF module is good. Nowadays this RF module is not coming in the market, but earlier this module was there. It provides range approximately like 5 meter or 10 meter, like with a small wire antenna. So this module I don't prefer. This is the next module. This is a little bit better. Although all these modules they say like they can provide range up to 100 meter, but no module provide range up to 100 meter. So this module provides range of approximately like 10 to 12 meter. Practically I have used these type of modules. This is also not good. Now if I talk about this RF module, you can just show the this RF module is also I don't prefer, because this RF module also provide very poor range. This is one of the worst module I have ever used. And last talk, if I talk about all of the modules RF came in this like this type of package, and these modules just wasted a lot of our time because we have made the hardware, but hardware was not running at particular range because of these modules. So these modules I also don't like. Now these are also the module. They are also not very good module. They are also very average, very poor module, right? Although the pins are tilted in upward direction, but like the same like data VCC antenna is written over here. So these module also worst module. I don't like at all this type of module as well, and the range is very poor. The reason why I'm not liking them is because of their range, and some module really have problem in their datasheet because the pin number is also not mentioned over here. There are lots of module available. They don't write the nomenclature of the pins, like which is data, which is ground. You have to struggle hard on internet to find out which pin is VCC, ground or data. So this module is also not good. Now this is the best module. Like they are a little bit small in size. If you can focus, you can show ground, data. First pin is ground, then 2 pin is data, then next pin is 5 volt, then 5 volt ground, antenna. So antenna, you can use wire antenna, or you can use this type of antenna as well on this type of antenna, right? This is like you can increase the size of this antenna. You can really increase the size. There are various type of antenna available in the market. You can use any one of them. Now these module have very good range. Without any antenna, these module can provide you range up to 60 meter. This is huge range, and moreover they are, frankly talking, they are 10 to 15 rupees cheaper as well from those if you buy them from the main market, if you are buying them in quantity. So these are the best module. You can see it is also written over here, robo stall. This is also written over here, right? So these are the best up to now. And if I talk about my last like I was making some product, at that time I just ordered the module and they supplied me this type of module. It wasted my lot of time, not best module. Then personally I went to the supplier and told him I need only these one. So it took approximately 7 days to supply these module to me because I ordered them in quantity. Now you can see like this is one, and these are RF module, right? All of these are RF module. You can see all of these are I bought them in quantity because I love them. These modules are so much good in range. That's why I bought in so much quantity. And next order is also on the way. that is also coming, that is also in very good quantity. So they come in this very nice package, right? Like I can show you by opening it. You will find it. Okay, these are the module. So these are the best one up to now. So if you are going to buy these RF module in the market, then you should go for these one. They can provide you with antenna a range of approximately, like I tested approximately 50 to 60 meter when I supplied that product to some institution, or they just use antenna over there and then range increase. So these are the modules which I love to use, like in open form. Then these are another as well, but I don't like these ones, right? They are waste. So this is all about this video about RF module. And if you want to just buy it, you can buy online, just see the shape, that's all. And if you like the video, you can press the bell icon and you can subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.